Primetime news this evening, former Prime Minister PJ Patterson retires from UK Privy Council Committee ahead of Jamaica's move to republic status. But what does this really mean? Rwandan president calls for greater Caribbean-Africa partnership, and Alligator Pond beach improvement authorities move into protection mode. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to news of the lifting of the mandatory mask requirement in enclosed spaces? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.